In this video I'll show you why I will never use dishwashing tabs again and how it actually saves me a whole lot of money and how easily you can do it too. All you need is a small bowl. In it you put 12 grams of citric acid, then 25 grams of regular salt, 50 grams of baking soda and 50 grams of washing soda, and then about 20 grams of regular dishwashing liquid. You can now mix these ingredients together really nicely and then you should see how the mess looks now. Because in most cases you have to add a little bit of water, but it really doesn't have to be much. Add a small amount first and then stir it well again and see how the consistency is. At the end it should be a really nice sticky mess. By the way, you can get washing soda, citric acid and baking soda in my store. I'll link you to the store below in the video description. The advantage of these homemade dishwasher tabs is that you know once what is in it. That is, here we have no chemical additives and besides it is also much cheaper than if you buy dishwashing tabs or dishwashing liquid. When you have mixed everything, you still need such an ice cube mold, in which you can now put the mess. Of course, the ice cube mold should be big enough to get the tabs into the dishwasher. Press everything firmly with your fingers so that there are no gaps and everything is pressed together. After that you just have to set them aside to dry. And when they are dry you can take them out of the mold and have your homemade dishwashing tabs also directly ready and should store them somewhere dry and cool. Now, the next time you turn on the dishwasher, instead of using an expensive store-bought tab, just add one of these tabs and start the dishwasher as normal. Another positive side effect is that you can save a lot of waste because the purchased dishwasher tabs are all individually packed in plastic. Try the whole thing therefore also. Would you now like to know how you can make your own detergent cheaply and efficiently? Then take a look at this video which I linked to you at this point. If you liked the video then I would be really happy about a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to this channel and activate the bell so you don't miss any new video.